The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has always been a source of fascination and mystery. For centuries, it has inspired myths, legends, and scientific curiosity. But what if the moon holds secrets far beyond our wildest imaginations? Welcome to Planetary Possibilities. I'm Aria. Houston, we have a visual. These words, spoken during the historic Apollo missions, marked the beginning of an extraordinary discovery. The astronauts, trained to expect the unexpected, were nonetheless unprepared for what they were about to encounter. The crackle of static couldn't hide the awe in the astronaut's voice. It's immense. The vastness of space is one thing, but the sight that greeted them on the lunar surface was something else entirely. It was as if they had stumbled upon a hidden world, a place untouched by time, like nothing I've ever seen. These words, filled with wonder and disbelief, captured the essence of the moment. The lunar surface, with its eerie landscapes and mysterious formations, seemed to hold secrets that defied human understanding. These whispered words, transmitted from the Apollo mission, hinted at something extraordinary, hidden on the far side of the moon. Something vast, something ancient, something that defied explanation. The far side of the moon, forever shrouded in darkness, had always been a place of intrigue, but now it seemed to hold the key to a mystery that could change our understanding of the universe. The image, blurry and indistinct, sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Scientists and researchers around the world were left to ponder the implications of this discovery. What could it mean? How could such a formation exist on the moon? Was it a trick of light, a natural formation, or something far more enigmatic? The questions were endless, and the answers seemed just out of reach. The moon, once thought to be a barren wasteland, suddenly became a canvas for speculation and wonder, or something far more enigmatic. The possibility that the moon could harbor secrets beyond our comprehension was both thrilling and terrifying. It challenged everything we thought we knew about our closest celestial neighbor. The moon, once thought to be a barren wasteland, suddenly became a canvas for speculation. The barren landscapes, with their strange formations and unexplained phenomena, seemed to tell a story that was waiting to be uncovered. Conspiracy theories flourished, fueled by the grainy photo and the hushed whispers of astronauts sworn to secrecy. The idea that there could be something hidden on the moon, something that the world was not meant to see, captured the imagination of people everywhere. The far side of the moon, forever hidden from our view, became a symbol of the unknown. It represented the mysteries of the universe, the things that lie just beyond our reach. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the enigma of the moon serves as a reminder that there is still so much we have yet to discover. The moon, our constant companion in the night sky, has always fascinated humanity. Its phases, its craters, and its mysterious glow have been subjects of wonder and study for centuries. The moon always shows us the same face. This is a phenomenon that has intrigued scientists and laypeople alike. Why is it that we never see the other side of the moon, the so-called dark side? This phenomenon, known as synchronous rotation, is caused by the gravitational forces between the Earth and the moon. Over billions of years, these forces have slowed the moon's rotation to the point where it matches its orbit around Earth perfectly. Imagine a dance, perfectly synchronized, where one partner always leads. In this cosmic dance, the Earth is the lead, its gravitational pull so strong that it has locked the moon into this perpetual rhythm. The Earth, with its stronger gravitational pull, leads the moon in this celestial waltz, ensuring we only ever see one side of our lunar partner. This gravitational locking is a common phenomenon in our solar system, seen in other moons and planets as well.
This hidden face, shrouded in darkness and mystery, captivated early astronomers. They could only speculate about what lay on the far side, as their telescopes could not penetrate the moon's secrets. Before the advent of space exploration, telescopes could only reveal the familiar features of the near side. The far side remained an enigma, a blank canvas for the imagination. The far side remained a blank slate, a tantalizing mystery waiting to be explored. It wasn't until the space age that humanity finally got a glimpse of this hidden world. What secrets did it hold? What wonders lay hidden from our view? The far side of the moon, with its rugged terrain and numerous craters, presented a stark contrast to the more familiar near side. Speculation ran rampant, fueled by the unknown. Some believed the far side might harbor alien bases or ancient ruins, while others thought it could be rich in resources or hold clues to the moon's formation. It wasn't until 1959, when the Soviet Luna 3 spacecraft sent back the first images of the far side, that these speculations began to be put to rest. The images revealed a landscape pockmarked with craters, much like the near side, but with some distinct differences. Subsequent missions, including those by NASA's Apollo program, provided more detailed maps and data. These missions showed that while the far side is similar to the near side in many ways, it also has unique features, such as the South Pole Aitken Basin, one of the largest impact craters in the solar system. Today, modern lunar missions continue to study the far side, using advanced technology to uncover its secrets. Lunar rovers and orbiters are providing unprecedented insights into this once-hidden world. As we look to the future, plans for lunar bases and further exploration of the far side are taking shape. International collaborations are paving the way for a new era of lunar discovery, promising to reveal even more about our enigmatic neighbor.
Amateur astronomers, peering through their telescopes, claim to see strange geometric patterns on the lunar surface. These patterns, they argued, were too precise, too deliberate to be natural formations. Were they evidence of ancient civilizations? Landing strips for alien spacecraft? Messages etched into the lunar surface for humanity to decode?
Scientists, however, offered a more grounded explanation. The patterns, they argued, were simply the result of impact craters, volcanic flows, and the interplay of light and shadow. Pareidolia, the human tendency to perceive meaningful patterns in random data, could also explain these sightings. Our brains, wired to find patterns, could easily interpret random lunar features as evidence of something more extraordinary.
Beyond the visual anomalies, there were whispers of strange signals emanating from the far side of the moon. These signals, often faint and elusive, have puzzled scientists for decades. The far side of the moon, shielded from Earth's radio noise, offers a unique vantage point for detecting these mysterious transmissions. But what do they mean? Are they random bursts of energy, or do they carry a message waiting to be deciphered?
Radio astronomers, listening to the cosmos, reported bursts of static, unexplained frequencies and patterns that defied explanation. These dedicated scientists spend countless hours sifting through the noise, hoping to find a signal that stands out. They use sophisticated equipment to record and analyze these bursts, looking for any signs of regularity or structure. The patterns they observe are often complex, sometimes resembling known natural phenomena, but other times they seem entirely alien. Could these be the first signs of communication from another world?
Were these signals artificial in origin, messages from extraterrestrial intelligence, or simply the product of natural phenomena? The debate rages on within the scientific community. Some argue that the sheer complexity and regularity of certain signals suggest an intelligent source. Others caution against jumping to conclusions, pointing out that nature often produces patterns that can deceive even the most experienced researchers. The possibility of receiving a message from another civilization is tantalizing, but the evidence remains inconclusive.
The scientific community remained skeptical. The vast distances involved in space travel made it highly unlikely that these signals originated from another civilization. Even if an advanced species were trying to communicate, the time it would take for their messages to reach us could span thousands, if not millions of years. This skepticism is rooted in our current understanding of physics and the limitations of faster-than-light travel. However, the possibility, no matter how remote, keeps the search alive and fuels the imagination of scientists and enthusiasts alike.
Natural phenomena such as solar flares, cosmic rays, and even the Earth's own atmosphere could easily interfere with radio signals, creating the illusion of artificial transmissions. These interferences can mimic the patterns we might expect from an intelligent source, leading to false alarms. Solar flares, for instance, can produce bursts of radio waves that travel across the solar system, while cosmic rays can create noise that disrupts our instruments. Understanding and filtering out these natural sources of interference is a crucial part of the search for extraterrestrial signals.
The search for extraterrestrial intelligence continued, but the whispers in the static remained unexplained. Despite the challenges and the many false leads, scientists remain undeterred. Each unexplained signal is a puzzle piece, a clue that could one day lead to a groundbreaking discovery. The quest to understand these anomalies drives innovation in technology and methodology, pushing the boundaries of what we know about the universe. As we continue to listen to the cosmos, we hold on to the hope that one day we might finally decode the whispers in the static and uncover the secrets they hold.
The confluence of unexplained visual anomalies and strange radio signals fueled a wave of conspiracy theories.
Governments, it was claimed, were withholding information about the true nature of the moon. Had they made contact with extraterrestrial life? Were they covering up evidence of alien bases on the far side?
The silence from official sources only served to deepen the mystery.
Scientists, however, remained unconvinced. The lack of concrete evidence, coupled with the extraordinary nature of the claims, made it highly unlikely that governments were hiding anything.
Extraordinary claims, they argued, require extraordinary evidence. Until such evidence was presented, the whispers of conspiracies would remain just that, whispers. What do you think lies hidden in the moon's unseen face? Share your theories in the comments below and hit that subscribe button to keep up on all planetary possibilities.